Well, I finished the modification to the part. You can see up here is what we had. This pad here was hitting, and what I thought I needed to do was move this surface up to this surface. But I had these holes here. So the first thing I had to do is to capture these surfaces, these faces inside here, and group them, and then get a vertical move arrow, and I just pulled all of them up until they were near here, and I knew this guy was below here. So as you can see, I got pretty close to center of where the space is available, and I froze them. Then I had this radius here. I had to get rid of that. I knew that was going to cause me trouble. And then I had this slight angle, so I just got rid of it. So I had a select, move, delete, delete, select, match. So I select it, and when I say match it, it moves to that line. So it goes boop, it just shrinks it. So as you can see, I shrunk it up to that line. Boom, I was done. I did some inspection, looked around. I've made some changes since, but I'll worry about those later. This piece here was sticking out, and I cut that off. So I got, if there's a gear sticking out, it's going to make that okay. It won't grind up on that. This, I also moved this hole down from where it was. It was a little higher, so I moved it down so it was as close as I could get to this guy. Eyeballing it like, it might be too low, might be too, I don't know, but this is the spot I chose, and now I'm already going through the measurement testing, and then we'll do the printing. A little stray piece of stuff. It drips out when it gets hot sometimes. Okay, so that's where we're at. We're now printing the new part. There it is. You can see it's flattened out, and the holes are sort of in alignment, and there's it's only a 5 degree. I thought it'd be more like 10, but it's only a 5 degree angle, but we'll see how that fits when I get done with it. And as I look down, it's 12:40, so we're getting close to lunchtime. Okay, later.